Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 96GB memory kit. This kit boasts a massive 96GB capacity, spread across two 48GB modules, and a blazing fast 7000 MHz speed with CL40 timings. It's designed for the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards and features Intel XMP 3.0 support for easy overclocking. First impressions are great. The modules look fantastic with their 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module. The panoramic light bar ensures the lighting is vibrant and visible from any angle inside your case. The ICUE software allows for extensive customization, with dozens of preset lighting profiles to choose from, where you can create your own unique effects. Beyond aesthetics, performance is where this kit shines. The high capacity is perfect for content creators, video editors, or anyone who runs memory-intensive applications. The 7000 MHz speed and tight timings ensure snappy responsiveness and reduced loading times. The onboard voltage regulation is a welcome addition, providing more stable and finely tuned overclocking through ICUE. This gives you greater control over your memory's performance, allowing you to push it to its limits with confidence. The custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles are another standout feature. You can create and save your own XMP profiles via ICUE, tailoring performance to specific applications or tasks. This level of customization is excellent for maximizing efficiency and getting the most out of your system. Installation is straightforward, especially with XMP 3.0. Simply enable the XMP profile in your motherboard's BIOS, and the memory will automatically run at its rated speed and timings. The ICUE software is intuitive and easy to use, making it simple to customize the lighting and monitor performance. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 96GB memory kit is a top-tier product that delivers exceptional performance and stunning aesthetics. It's a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system with the best DDR5 memory available. The high capacity, fast speed, and extensive customization options make it a worthwhile investment for serious gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.